Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials. And in this video I am going to introduce about our new application. So this is the video of introduction of new app in Android Studio by Android tutorials. So let me give the name of our application. So we are going to make an application that will scan and generate a Qrd code, and also we are going to add the animations and splash screen, onboarding screens, and exit confirmation, internet checking, and sharing function, and many more things. So if you want to watch this complete series, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notification. In this video I am going to give the introduction of our application, how it will work, and how we are going to get all the details. So first I had got two libraries, one for scanning the code and second is for generating the QR code. So let's begin with them. My first is this library. So I'm not going to give the name of this because in the upcoming videos we are going to create the same in Android Studio. So don't forget to subscribe. And now here you can see that here is some basic needs, and I am going to explain all these things in detail in our upcoming videos. So this library will allow us to scan the QR code and get the result. Next we have is Qrd Code Generator. So this will help us in generating the QR code, and we are going to use the toolbar to create this. So you can see this library also. And next I am going to load the images in our application through Glide library. So here is our Glide library. I am also going to use this library to load our images into our application. Next we have a story set by FreePic. So here I had made one detailed tutorial on how to use the animated animations. So by this we will get an animated animation for our Android application. So if you want to see the quick intro how it will look, then you can see it here, and you will find the complete tutorial in this channel. So you can also watch from there, but currently I am showing you. So here I had randomized it, and you can see this animation. This is so fast. So here we have our animation, and we can also edit the colors and all the elements in our illustration. So we are going to use this for our onboarding screen, and then we will have our splash screen with unique animation, as we already have 4 to 5 videos on splash screen. So I am going to find a new animation and give to you so that our application will look better. Next information is about checking the internet. So I think I am going to use the Lottie files no internet connection illustration to make our application so useful. And we are also going to add a notification system and analytics as always. So if you got excitement by hearing this announcement, then please make sure you subscribe our channel and comment me any query regarding this application. So thanks for watching our introduction of new application in Android Studio. Thanks for watching.